Hey guys, you're looking for a simple spray booth in your garage, and you've probably searched a million videos, and there's a lot of pulleys and complex systems that people have built, but you just need a simple spray booth that you can start painting some cabinet doors or a project that you've done in your own garage, 2-car garage. Let me show you what I did. It's super simple. So I've used this painter's drop plastic. It comes in a box. I'll show you the box once I get in there. What I did was sectioned off one area of the garage so I can spray my panels. I hung them off the rail of the garage door because that just worked out great. And the way I've got this tied up here, I doubled up the tape on either side of the plastic so the plastic wouldn't pull through. Right to the ceiling, all the way around the perimeter. And this is a 9-foot roll, so it goes all the way to the ground. Once it's all the way pulled out, hits the ground. I'll show you the roll I use. You don't have to use this exact one, but just make sure you get the dimensions. It's 9 feet because your ceilings are probably about 8 foot. And this roll, basically roll it straight out and basically roll it out a whole perimeter where you're trying to go in your garage. Roll it around all the way, and all you got to do is tape one end up, hit each one, and then drop it down. Super simple. Now I want to make an intake and exhaust for this, so what I've got left over, since I'm doing the kitchen, the whole kitchen is moved out into this here, so it's a mess. But I had this shelf here that I had laying around. I had a couple extra, and this looks like it's gonna be perfect. I had a couple extra tubes. And I basically put one on either end. I'm just gonna lay there. I'll put some filters and attach the plastic down on one side, up, over, and down. So this would be my intake grate. And then on the other side, I'm gonna put a couple box fans so it can be my exhaust. They're gonna be covered with filters. Everything seems to be pulling pretty well. I know the light is kind of weird in here, but there's some areas you can tape where it's pulling in, but for the most part, it gives me plenty of room to shoot some paint. All right, and here are the fans. It's probably pretty loud on the audio, but they fit. These just so happen to be like perfect fit for these fans. I'm actually going to install these this way. No, I'll do it this way. And then if those get all clogged up, I'll change them out for another one. There we go. I have filtered air coming in, filtered air going out. She seals pretty darn well. It's actually kind of nice to have a little bit of airflow in here. I don't have AC in my garage, but I will be sweating my butt off no matter what because I got to wear the suit and the mask and all that fun stuff. And yeah, let's get these doors prepped up and I'll show you a little painting. I've already got them sanded down. So all I need to do is take a tack cloth to them. And we'll hope for the best. Oh, and I wanted to show you how I get out. A lot of people are asking, how do you get out of the spray booth? I have like a little path. Check it out. Got the fans over here. And over here, it kind of overlaps on the garage door. I could care less if the garage door gets any paint. But there's my little path. There we go. That's the spray booth. And yes, I had to like anchor the fans because with both fans going, they tried to pull them over and yeah. I just use a bunch of tape to kind of tighten up the sides so it doesn't pull in like a balloon. And you just kind of go by eye and you'll be good to go. I mean, what was it, 15 bucks for each fan, maybe 10 bucks for the wrap, and then tape. There you go. And I will be putting down some cardboard, like painter's cardboard on the floor. That way I don't have to clean my floor, my concrete afterwards. Oh. All right, first coat went really well. Hot as heck in that suit with the mask and everything on, but let me show you. First coat, so obviously I wanted to go thin because I started on the cabinets on the inside. I thought I could be quick and I sprayed way too much and it started dripping and it was just terrible. And if you're wondering, I am using the Graco X17 airless sprayer with a 414 tip, which is basically the tip that comes with it is a 5 something. It's a pretty wide pattern. The 414 kind of aerates it a little bit more and puts it at a finer dust and a finer spray pattern. I'd say about an 8-inch spray pattern, which is really nice. So it coated that really well for the first coat. Now I'll go back with a second coat and then we'll put some paint on it. It's looking really good. I'm really pleased with it. So let me know if you like this video. Comment down below if you have any questions about any of my setups. I know everybody in their YouTube videos says subscribe. Honestly, only subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. This is my first video, so if you're seeing this after I've got a bunch of videos out, just give me a thumbs up. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more. I have tons of house projects, tons of contractor work that I do, and yeah, we'll see you next video. Later. Hey guys, welcome to Burnt Works, and today we made a spray paint booth.